Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas. Your source for Ford news, update, and information, including your Bronco and Bronco Sport information here on a Wednesday for our Built Wild Wednesday video series. If you like videos like this or on the Bronco and Bronco Sport, make sure you subscribe with that bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of these videos. And today's video is kind of more of a correction video here for you because I've been, kind of going off some information that I received from the order guide when going through the Bronco build and price. And I need to make some corrections really to every video that I did that has to do with the Sasquatch package because I misunderstood what was listed and referencing from the order guide. So let's get into this and kind of talk about this. First off, on the video on the Badlands that I did, I talked about the black appearance package, and I'm gonna reference this and kind of go through this and pull this up here for us real quick. There we go. So when you go to Ford's build and price, there are still a few little flaws. They are fixing them. They're going through and fixing them. So I'm going to commend them for that and letting them know that. But let's go down here to the 26 Bronco here. And there you go. There we go. And build and price. And let's go into the Badlands trim. So something that basically it's the same way as it was last year. And we as a dealership never received a 2025 Badlands with the black appearance package. And so I wasn't sure what we were getting. And I probably should have maybe asked out there with everybody. But on the Badlands edition here, when you go to the black appearance package, something to note, and this is correct when you look at this, the factory wheel is right there. You can see that. That is your Badlands wheel. Now, that is an 8-inch wide wheel. So it's a 17 by 8-inch wide. And I have found out that on anything, when you have a Haas 2.0 suspension, that upgraded suspension, it cannot sustain or cannot, for some reason, cannot fit a 7.5-inch wheel. It has to be an 8 or an 8-inch wide wheel. And for that reason, when you go to the black appearance package and select it, you'll notice that wheel does not upgrade when you go to the black appearance package. And so that is correct. And so when you're looking in here, and I even went off this information from Ford's build and price, it says it includes a 17-inch black high gloss painted aluminum wheel. And that is not correct. So that is something that they'll eventually probably get fixed on there. But just like in 25, same way for 26 model year, when you order the black appearance package, you get a lot of these black accents, but one of the things you're not going to get is the black wheel. It is going to get the factory Badlands wheel when you're looking at the Sasquatch, when you're a non-Sasquatch, I should say. Now, if you do go to the Sasquatch package with this black appearance package, which you can do, then you will get the black beadlock wheel. And so let's go down to those wheels. We'll talk about that. That is the wheel you're going to get. So if we go to the details, let's go to the details. This is the wheel you're going to get. If you go with the black appearance package with the Sasquatch package, you're going to get the black beadlock rim. I like to say it's the one that used to come on the Wild Track when the Wild Track was available. So, and then this, of course, is optional on a black appearance package vehicle is going to come with that one. So a little fact on that. So there's your factory wheel. Now, here's another fact that is incorrect that I want to correct, and that has to do with every vehicle has a Sasquatch package on your base, Big Bend, Outer Banks, and Badlands edition. Is that when you go to the Sasquatch package, we're not talking about the black appearance, just adding the Sasquatch package. We've been seeing this wheel, and even in the order guide, that is the wheel design that it showed in the order guide. And since it was a black and white photo, it's really hard to tell what color it was. It is saying 17-inch matte black alloy wheel. A little correction here. That is not the wheel you're getting as part of the Sasquatch package. That's not the standard wheel. I have the information, and let me share with you what wheel you're getting when you upgrade to the Sasquatch package for this year. Pull this over here. It is a Ford Performance wheel. So let me share their website here and show you. It is going to be this wheel right here. Let me get you a close-up of that. So that is the wheel that's going to come with your Sasquatch package now for 2026. So it is a 17-inch by 8.5-inch matte black wheel. It's going to be this wheel design right here. So I like the look of it. I think I actually might like it better than the Everglades wheel from last year, right? They're really trying to get rid of that Everglades. It's kind of the past, that the trim level's gone. So they want to get rid of the Everglades wheel. And so all your Sasquatches will come with this wheel design right here. So that is something kind of want to point out and throw out there is those two corrections that I've said wrong in what, 6 videos, 5 videos, I guess. Five, four videos, I guess. But there you go. Now, something else to take note on that the website is correct on, and kind of go and jump back over here to this and share this back on this, is that if you decide that you want to upgrade and get a different wheel, there is this for the first time for this year is a dealer installed optional wheel. And this is the magnetic gray mid gloss painted aluminum wheel. So when you click on the eye, that is the correct wheel for that right there. So the order guide was actually incorrect. So the wheel they showed us on the order guide was the Sasquatch wheel was listed under the magnetic. So if you're out there, and I know some people are doing this, they're finding the order guide out on Bronco 6G, and they're going through the order guide and listing this. And I did the same thing. I'm right with you guys in making this assumption here. Is it was not showing this wheel as being the DIO wheel. Of course, does require the Sasquatch, as it says there, available on base, Big Bend, Outer Banks, and Badlands. I was going to the same assumption. At least in here on the build and price, this is correct on here. But if you're going off of the order guide on that wheel page and you're seeing the wheel, the Sasquatch wheel, it's this wheel here. Just to make sure everybody is aware of what's going on there. So there you go. So I wanted to kind of clarify that, because that is something that I've made mistakes on, and I just wanted to kind of just put that out there. Since I've already done the videos and everything, I'll try to do a pinned comment on each one of those videos to make sure everybody knows what's going on there, because I took a lot of effort to shoot those videos, to reshoot them. For that correction of that wheel, I'm probably not going to be doing, but I want to make sure everybody is aware of this. I'll try to get this on Bronco 6G and Bronco Nation everywhere I can to let you guys know what's going on. So something else, next week will be SEMA. So we'll be headed over to Las Vegas, Nevada, to the big SEMA show, and we'll be bringing you guys whatever type of content we have for Bronco next week and some videos. But I do have a fun Built Wild Wednesday. I actually recorded it today, because that's what I was going to put out for today's video. But we'll do that for next week. Hold that for you guys for next week on a special Ford Custom Garage package that we have in stock that came in. So if you don't want to wait till next week, you can go to our website and check it out. So we have a couple of them actually, but you can check that out if you'd like to. Plus, we have a lot of vehicles available, a lot of different cool vehicles. We did also get a Coastal Bronco back in stock again. The first one we did on a 2-door with that Coastal package, it sold within a day, and we had so many people interested in that we ordered another one, and it came in and it is available right now. It's under $50,000 right now. Plus, we still have a 2-door strap Bronco that we have like $5,000 or $6,000 off right now, and as well as the package that we'll talk about next week. If you want to check it out as well, that's going to be priced right at $50,000 if you want a cool custom build too. And we have more vintage Broncos that are in production right now. We should have several of those available by next week, I would think. So be looking forward to some of those videos. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell notification turned on so you don't miss any of our videos. And don't forget, if you purchase a Bronco from us, whether it be an in-stock Bronco or you order one and it comes in, we are wanting to get you to Bronco Off-Roadeo. So we want to pay for your travel expenses up to $1,000 for, hotel, flights, gas money if you need to on the way there. Maybe you got to rent a vehicle. We want to pay for those. So reimburse you back up to $1,000 of your travel expenses when you take that experience that you get when you purchase a Bronco. So still have to pay for that deposit. Can't pay for that, but we can pay for the expenses getting you there. And don't forget, if you want to order from us, we are taking orders for the 2026 Ford Bronco at invoice pricing. Bronco Sport as well. Don't want to leave them out. And if you finance a vehicle with us when it comes in, we'll also take $1,000 off of that price as well. On top of that, and on top of getting you to Bronco Off-Roadeo. So anyway, that's what I have for this week. Hopefully you guys educated me a little bit, learned this information today, and making sure it gets out to you guys today as well on a Built Wild Wednesday. So make sure you're subscribed, bell notification turned on. I already mentioned that. But until the next video, stay positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and have a great Built Wild Wednesday yourself. Get out and enjoy your Broncos.